আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আগামীকাল 13ই জুলাই আমাদের উইলশায়ারের সুইন্ডন শহরে আমরা বৈশাখী মেলা উদযাপন করতে যাচ্ছি। এটা আমাদের চতুর্থবারের মতো আয়োজন। আমরা চাই আমাদের বাঙালি সংস্কৃতিকে বিলেতের মাটিতে পৌঁছে দিতে। আমাদের নতুন প্রজন্ম যারা আছে তারা জানুক আমাদের ঐতিহ্য, আমাদের সংস্কৃতি।
Hello, how wonderful to come to such an amazing event here in Swindon. I in fact only wanted to visit the design centre and buy a few more shoes, but then I was encouraged to come along and have a look at this wonderful South Asian community festival. It's just been brilliant, so colourful, the music, the dancing, the choreography, brilliant, the food so delicious. And if you are ever in the Corsham area, do come and visit the Harping Crown, the Burge, where I'm probably the only Asian girl wandering around in Gstaad. But it's wonderful to have it the other way round and be in a South Asian community with so many like-minded folk from backgrounds of Bangalore, Bangladesh, Punjab, all of those communities coming together. How brilliant. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everybody. My name's Sally Gosling and my colleague Phil Brown. We're here today promoting health, all different aspects of it, doing free blood pressures and giving out health promotion bags. We would like to say thank you so much to Mr. Bablu and all the team who've made this such a successful day. It has been lovely meeting so many people. It's a lovely day. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Steph. I'm the president of the Swindon Old Town Rotary Club, and we're here today at this fantastic Mela event, really because of Abdul, who's also one of our members in the club and our treasurer. Such a wonderful event, multicultural, lots to do, lots of salespeople selling beautiful saris, selling food, toys, music, wonderful. Definitely recommend coming down next year.
Thank you.
How are you feeling in the fair?
Yeah, really good, really nice, really good atmosphere, loads of people, good food, good music, everything brilliant.
What do you think, like, is that fair is continue, is good for the community?
Yeah, definitely. What the association is doing is brilliant. I think we should do this every year. It gets all the community, everyone here together,
Especially the new generation.
Yeah, especially with the younger generation, yeah. So, yeah.
So you enjoying this fair, yeah?
Definitely, yeah. Shubha Novabosho.
Thank you so much.
Rupane